Good afternoon from John Kielec. I am the admin of DailyNetPay private trade shares where I trade and you earn. How about this? Set it in the morning, leave, come back, and find $262.74 profit. Happy? Well, that's what DailyNetPay and private trade shares are all about it. Well, this is update, so I'm just going to go through what's in here. I was out of town for most of the day, as I stated in my yesterday's update. In the early morning, I did my market search, selected few trades, entered them with stop losses, and went out of town. Came back. Well, you can see what happened by visiting, and you can go right in when you click on the videos. There's a video recorded. This is where actually the real, this is real as it gets when it comes to earning passive cash, even without sponsoring. Watch past live trades, learn about the DNP PTS. And I'm going to tell you one thing, more and more members are coming early in the morning. Danielle, Mark, John, and there was a few others that are beginning to come early in the morning. And when I do these trades and they watch me, they can ask questions and whatever. But I am there early in the morning, but I don't sit there all day. I select, do the trades, and you see this movie, set it in the morning, leave it, come back, and you have the profit. Basically, these are all the movies. If you're not a member yet, well, you got an opt-in form in here, but these are all the past information, past trades, how they've been doing, and you can, if you're bored and you want to know about some of these, like binary options, wild markets trading, it's all in here. But this is where you find the information. Okay. This is what the private trade shares from DailyNetPay are all about it. Earning passive income with no sponsoring or recruiting, no promoting or advertising, no emailing list, no trading any markets. Best of all, even free can earn here. Just going to scroll up. But there's one thing they will need to do, and I'm talking about free members. Just promote little, and we show you exactly how, without any cost for advertising. How? The best way, reply back to other offers. Now, I get hundreds of them on a daily basis, and you must get other offers coming into your email box. Well, this is what I do. I'm going to do live right here while I'm recording this update. This is the message what I send to them. Hi, thanks for emailing me your offer. Have you heard DNP plus passive trade shares? This is not your usual offer, and the best is for you to see. And when you click on this, this is my autoresponder link, okay? Capture page from the DailyNetPay members area. When you go into banners and URLs, you'll find many, but this is the one I like to use. Gets quite a bit of attention. And I include that. Then I write below, becoming the #1 leader in real passive home income. Let me know what you think. So I am going to go. All right, I'm going to go to one of many emails accounts, and you can see you want to do your emailings to not like a safe list, because safe list, okay, it's got a mailer that's going to bounce back, okay? So basically, you got to look for real emails, okay? Look at this one. Here's to Happy Thanksgiving. This is okay, members at Digital Maker, they're saying this. Basically what I do, okay, I hit reply, I go and copy my message, okay, copy, and I go back in here and just paste it and send. Okay, that's all it takes. Then I delete the email. There's another one, member Henry Michael's interested in exchanging referrals. Okay, I have recurring Toronto. Oh, he's right, right from around here. But anyways, I'm gonna do the same thing. Remember, I copied that message, so my tab, my computer already remembers that, and I'll guarantee you that this person is gonna buy some private trade shares. And I delete the email. See what we can find more. Okay. Todd Brown, okay, there's another, okay, this is founder of, whatever he's a founder of, I don't know, but you can see I don't even read these emails, I just support marketing, okay, but I will send them. You know, these are very active members. Why are they active? Because they're promoting, they're sending you their message. MLSP competitive edge. Have you heard? Good to start, this and that, whatever. I just hit reply. I copy the message once, then just paste it, send. Look at this. I sent 4 emails. How to disqualify a prospect, okay? And these are some of the owners of other programs. I'm very sure business owners are interested to earn more income, more real income, because this is real income. This is not some high-yield investment program that it's here today. It's going to be gone tomorrow. I got 4 more years to retirement, and I guarantee you there's nothing else you're going to see from me. I don't care about the garbage that is out there. I really don't. I love trading. The trades are going. Some days are good. Some weeks are good. Some weeks are bad. Some days are bad, but that's the way. This week, it's, you know, if we make about $700, and we'll do good, but that's the way it is. Last week was like over $3,000 a week, so that's the way it is, but I love it. And, you know, nobody's going to tell me, oh, this high-yield investment program or this is this, it's going to pay you 7%, 1% for life. Yeah, 1 for life. Nothing is for life. But I guarantee you, I'm 61 and I'm retiring about 65, and I'll probably still do this part-time as I do it right now. Okay, let's see. Let's go into another thing, okay? Linda Martin, no money in recruiting. Okay, look at this. This is a good one. She'll probably join too. Okay, see the Hotmail? Okay, those are, when you see some kind of reply, no reply, don't send that. You gotta find real emails. But basically, this is what I do. Okay? Basically, that's all I do in here. And this is the message you can copy. Put your DNP autoresponder link. Use it. 10, 15 minutes a day, and I guarantee you, you will earn. Because when they buy a PTS pack, you're going to earn $5. It doesn't matter if you're free. You don't need to have any active packages. You will get paid. That's how DailyNetPay works. Okay? Over 24 years ago, okay, what happened? You know what? This is how I started. Those members who've been with me for some time, they know how I started. You know, 24 years ago, actually, in February is going to be 25 years, my anniversary working online, working from home, working part-time hours, getting paid full-time. Okay? 24 years ago, I was laid off, no job. I was in debt, but I decided to go with F5M. Does anybody remember what F5M stood for or stands for? Fortune 5 Fortune 5 Minutes. Back then was owned by Mr. Rick Matthews. And he owns WTIA. I own WTIA now. He owns it back. But many of you know who he is. Well, me and him got together, and I liked the Fortune 5 Minutes. I had no job. I was sitting at home. I promoted this as much as I could. I had time on my hands, so I promoted 6-7 hours and for free, because I had no job. I was in debt. I used forums back there, free forums, signature files, anything like that. And this is where I am today, living the internet lifestyle. Earning 6-figure income, traveling around the world, buying condos here and there, you know, big trip, 2-month trip from crypto, thanks to crypto, just, you know, over a month ago in the summertime, 2 months, 7 weeks, touring Europe. That was the biggest trip of our lifetime, the longest one, but never again. 3, 4 weeks, it's okay. But, this is where I started and this is where I am because I never gave up and I believed in the freedom and this is where it got me. So you can start the same way. I did it. Anybody can do it. But, somebody tells me, well, I got to watch my soap opera. I got this. I don't know how to promote. I don't have an emailing list. I just showed you what I've done with my emails. You do that. Then I'm going to be honest and down to earth. Do that every time. Delete your junk from autoresponders that, it says no reply, but keep those emails that send you other offers and use that method. I guarantee you, you will get signups and you will get paid signups because these people are actively promoting an entire network, okay? And that's why you're getting these offers. So, I know that because I've started that too. Even today, especially with DailyNetPay private trade shares, anyone can start without any cash whatsoever and start earning referral commissions that can add up and then purchase that DNP PTS and you're on the way to earn. Remember, there's $5 and $10 commissions and even more. For example, today, 3 members ordered the $25 private trade shares. That is an instant referral commission of $125 for the sponsor. There was three members today. GMK was one of them, and 2 others are getting paid $125 instant commission. 25. Remember, each $20 private trade shares has got a referral of $5 times 25 times 20 times $5. What is that? $125. So imagine if you were a free member, you got somebody like that. What happened if they order a 50 pack? 50 private trade shares, or they do on a monthly basis. You get paid $5. You can take the money, or you can buy packages, or buy the private trade shares and start earning the real passive income. Stable, reliable, dependable, knowing that it's going to be here tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, year after that. As long as I live and my mind operates, I am here. If not, we'll sell the business to somebody who can continue. But I'm not sure if they're going to be able to do the trades as I do, because trading needs experience, needs discipline. There's lots to it. We had one member contact me today and said, well, John, I would like to learn what you're doing because, that is too much. Trading, I've traded commodities for 3 years in the past. There's lots to learn. And I don't expect you to understand any of that trading jazz that I do in my videos that you can see in there because that's the trading world, okay? Before I traded commodities in the past, I took a course that cost me about $500. That was what? Well, a long time ago. That course probably cost about $2,000 today. But it paid off, okay? It paid off. Today you can go on YouTube, punch in Forex, crypto trading, learn how to trade, all kinds of stuff for free. And, of course, there's some of them that are going to give you the free stuff, the basics, but you want to get into nitty-gritty, it's going to cost you. So, as I said, 2 members, $125 goes to the sponsor. So even if you're a free member and you got that member, that $125 would be going to you. Simple as that. Now, go check out our Facebook, okay? We're going to put you there. Look at it on Facebook. You get paid to go into our Facebook and find out what's in there. Okay, this is our DailyNetPay Facebook. We have 27,753 members in here. Why do I ask you, when you get paid and you get a message, email notice when you get more payments going to go first thing tomorrow morning, because I was out of town, and I don't think Mary wants to do any. It's like late in the afternoon, but tomorrow morning more payouts going to go. But these members, put your comment, positive comment in here. You can see some of these just got paid. No losers here, right? And, you know, this is Mike. It says, love waking up on Monday and seeing I just got paid. Thanks, John. Keep up the good work. Okay. John Torres, I enjoy receiving. I just got paid emails today. Thanks, John. See, they got their links in there. Okay, because why? Almost 28,000 members go in here, and, you know, we have lots of options. If you place a paid comment in here, they might select your link and join you. Okay, simple as that. And, you know, that's the way it is. Okay, Mel, I just got paid. Thanks, John. I just purchased another PTS share. You have created a great system. Once again, okay, like I can go on and on in here, but you can see if you're part of our DailyNetPay Facebook, it's all in there. Get paid posted in there, because you're going to be part of special co-op advertising, and that co-op advertising does work pretty good, because that we do it outside everything else, and that's mentioned on previous update, which is below. Actually, let's see, where's that? If I'm going to just scroll down yesterday's update, there was a link. Okay, there's, let me just, it's a special link that says Facebook in it, and it's driving traffic to it. Okay. Well, I can't see it somewhere in here, but anyways, you'll sooner or later you'll find it in there. Okay, and I just got to keep going what's in this update, but it's in there. All right. Purchases of the private trade shares in groups of 5, 10, 25s, and 50s are now available. That's why we have 3 members today ordered the 25. I think there's a couple more coming tomorrow. They asked because they want to go 50. 50 times $5, that's $250 instant referral commission. So if you want to get those big guys out there, you can earn just from that pretty good income. And, you know, those groups, lots of those 5, 10, 20, 25, and 50 are available from your DNP members area, section upgrade. Also, the $20 subscriptions became available. So when you log into your DailyNetPay, I'm already logged into GM's account, and you go to upgrade. Okay, when you go to upgrade and see this DailyNetPay private trade shares purchase in groups, you just basically click on that and you have the site. You want to purchase one $20 share per month, build your income, because this is not something fly-by-night program that, oh, you know, you're just going to purchase. Don't get this thing mixed with high-yield investment programs. We had enough of them. Okay, truly, we had enough of them, because what happened is that, you know, we've been in many, but this is real. You can build once a month. You can afford $20 a month. Eventually, you're going to start buying more out of, and, you know, 6, 7 months down the road, you can start earning a little bit of income and still repurchasing these things, the private trade shares. But, you know, these solid trust pay, credit card, debit card, and coin payments, well, cryptocurrency, okay? That's these 2 that we have. Sorry, no PayPal. I do not use PayPal. I don't like them with passion. They truly suck. They're, to me, I don't want to even say anything, but anyways, we don't use PayPal, never will. Another payments option, when you click on here, You can send money order payable to me. You know, this is my address here in Canada, but if you're going to send something to me, because I'm going to be going to Florida for my winter getaway, I'm going to be there, you know, for like 4 or 5 months. I also going to be traveling to Europe, so always contact me, because when you send this money order to me while I was in Europe and during summertime for 2 months, you know, I got a couple Western Unions. They had to be sent back because nobody else could pick up except me, because it was in my name. So make sure I'll give you an address when you got to send it. It's like, you know, if you want to send it to my Florida address or something like that, but you need to contact me first, okay? But you have information in here. You can even send cash by FedEx, you know, priority post. It's insured. Members have done this, so that's how it's done. All right, so this is right from your members area, okay? Also, I want you to read and understand earnings disclaimer. That's got to be there. It's been placed there because it's a Canadian law, North American law. It's also brokers require that. Okay. All right. So this is from Upgrade. Okay. So the groups in here, like I say, this is also STP subscription. Bitcoin cryptocurrency does not have a subscription button. Okay. They never do. So right now we're only dealing with SDP. Okay, let's go back to the update. Now this is another thing I wanted to mention. Okay, in our which I forgot, DailyNetPay Facebook group. Please do not post any issues in there. If you got an issue with the payment or something didn't go through, your post will be removed. Okay, this is a good forum. This is a DailyNetPay forum. Okay, we want good content in here. If you have issues or anything like that, please contact me. Contact the admin. Okay, you can post only your DailyNetPay autoresponder links in there. You can include trackers. We do have a person who checks our DailyNetPay Facebook group each day, and there's negativity or anything like that, when there's issues, those things are removed, okay? Because we want a clean content in here. And this is big. Once again, this is going to be huge when you put your links in here. You know, soon we're going to probably have 30 to 40,000 members in here. We're becoming quite large on Facebook. All right. Now, next step, get to know your DNP PTS stats bar. That's DailyNetPay Private Trade Shares stats bar. Many are emailing because they don't read, they don't watch, and you think I'm going to waste my time? No. I trade early in the morning, I set things, I do some work, and I'm off to do whatever I want to do. I want to enjoy my early 60s life, okay? Trading, it takes, I learn sometimes, but I'm not going to sit here, where can I find my trades? Where can I find my stats? How do I earn? I do these updates for a reason. Here we go. Log into your DNP members area, and it is right there, right in front of you. All the information is in your DNP members area, visible when you log in. Please get to know that area. I'm still working on a video to explain that. So let's go in. As soon as you go and log in, you're going to come to the home page. See this home page? When you log in, it is right there. DNP stats bar. Basically, I'm not going to go over this video because this might take some time, but there's going to be a video explaining this. This is your stats bar. PTS at packs, PTS at expires, that's advertising. PTS equals 20. What does that mean? All right, it shows you, if you have active PTS advertising pack, it shows the date when your advertising expires. If it shows past current date, you got no advertising from DNP, and it shows how many active PTS you own. This number will change in here. See, right over here, when you buy more or repurchase the PTS, or after your private trade shares entered into our private trading account, this number will change. Or it will change when the PTS matures or reached the 150%. So this is going to be up and down. All right, so please, also another thing, please give about 12 to 24 hours for that number to be changed after you purchase your PTS, private trade shares, because they got to be entered into the trading account. Now, this is another very important. Not always you will get email verification on your repurchases or on more buys. Only new members will get the first-time verification with all the details. Read that and observe that, okay? Like I say, this is private trade shares. I do the real tradings. You see live trades. This is not your ordinary garbage opportunity. This is real as it comes. So we have different little bit of setups. When you know this, you buy trade shares, you're going to see them in here. And there's a little bit more coming. And also, you have the explanation in here what it explains. Just basically, if you go through here, you will have an idea. And I said, I will do a step-by-step video. Commissions, okay? When you're going to have commissions, the commissions, when you start getting PTS, it will say PTS 15-over-30. What does that mean? Well, one share is $20. So total return on investment is $30. But when you're going to get paid 15 bucks, it'll say 15 of $30. When it's 30, that means your share has matured, reached the maximum of 150% return. All right. When you get commissions on from referrals, $5 and $10 commissions, you're gonna see $10 commission, free cash position. Don't worry about the number. Free cash. That's a member's name, a username. $5 home business, home biz position. Don't worry about these numbers. Those are tracking numbers that we have within the system, so we track the payments and stuff like that. So you're gonna have all this, and the rest of it is just basically how many shares you can have or how many shares you have. Just an example, how much you can earn per week, per day. Okay. Also, the compounding function should be in there. Okay. By this weekend, Andy, our programmer, should have these functions done to keep track of your private trade share ROI. Okay, and this is the function that I'm talking about. All right, this is going to be in your commission area. You will see two functions. They're not there yet. He says he's going to work Saturday, something like that. Okay, he's in Australia. You're going to see total pay, total ROI, two empty boxes. Now, say for example that you buy 5 private trade shares, so that's 5 times $20 equals $100, right? That $100 spent, the total $100 earns approximately 5% daily, or total return on investment is 150% or $150. So that's automatically that 5 times 20, the $100 you spend, the total ROI on your money spent is going to show in here, $150. Now, for example, okay, as soon as the PTS entered into the trade market, they will also register in your stats PTS bar. Okay, remember this number is going to change in here too, so that's very important to understand that. Okay, so in here your PTS have earned $10, which is the minimum to withdraw. You would automatically get paid. You don't have to request a withdraw or anything like that. Automatically $10 payouts, providing your profile is filled with Bitcoin or Solid Trust Pay. That's all we have at this time. You get paid. Okay, so you got to make sure. And that would be $10 of the total ROI, return on investment, or 10 out of 150. Seeing here, total paid 10. 150. So 10 out of 150 has already been paid out. Another 140 to be paid out. So each time a member would purchase more PTS, that would change the total ROI. Say, for example, now you would purchase another $20 purchase. So this total ROI will change to what? 20 returns 150%. So this thing would be 180 because that calculates your total return. All right. So eventually, like if you don't buy anything and you get paid total 180, and this is, and this would be the same amount, or in this case, like say if it says total paid $150 and this is total return 150, didn't buy any more shares, boom, you're done. You earned your money and that's it. So each time PTS would mature or earn 150% would change the total ROI plus minus. Okay. As you buy more, you know. But this is the function that would be that's going to be installed in the commission area this week. Okay, and like I say, those two functions. Oh yeah, also the compounding function should be there in commissions too. This is where you can select to have the earnings compound, meaning used to repurchase more PTS. So you'll say at that check mark in the box that you want to compound, we'll pay you the commission. It won't go to your STP or anything like that. It's got to be recorded. That's the law. Okay, that's not money laundering. But you'll get a notice that you got paid. But you're going to remember that you have this compound, and we put that money back into the trading account. So it's just like in real world did go out, but actually didn't. But it is recorded. Okay, it's got to be recorded, and you will see that in your functions, in your ROI total, and also in your stats bar. This will change as well. All right. So the compounding, if you don't want it compounding, okay, then basically just the second box will say no. We'll pay you out. So these are the two functions that our programmer has left to do, and that will be the final thing that he's got to do with DNP for now anyways. I got a few things left to finalize with the DailyNetPay private trade shares as well, so I keep on working on that. And I want to, ladies and gentlemen, dear members, prospects, those who be coming in here, that DailyNetPay will become the #1 leader and the most reliable and real passive income, earning from home. Now, next week, the first private trade share earnings will start getting paid out, and this is why we need that PTS function installed and working so we can keep track of it. So I'm counting on Andy to be installed this week because I don't want to get behind the trade shares earnings payouts. So for now, once again, I want you, when you log in, get to know this page. And maybe tomorrow, if I got some time, I'm going to start doing recording in here. Just basically record and go step by step. It's in here. So tomorrow morning is another trading day. Maybe we're going to hit a big one tomorrow. And so until next time, have a very profitable day each and every day in whatever you do. God bless. John Kielec. And thank you for listening.